Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Nelia Creasey. Guys, before I pick up my baby at school, kasi doon na nga sila sa school nag-aaral, nagkaklase ngayon, the first day, I'm going to make a very simple lunch. Beef tortilla. May sirloin ako dito. I don't put anything aside from salt only. I'm going to have a quick stir with it. Dry first, no oil. I already have here my tortilla bread, salad, and I have here cucumber. Hindi makita guys, mamaya na lang. Very quick lang. Para pagbalik ko, it's all ready. Magpo-produce siya ng water, so I don't put oil first. I'm going to finish the water first, or dry the meat. I'm going to put olive oil. I always like to use olive oil. Have to turn them around or flip. Flip pala. Almost dry. I use sirloin para madali siyang maluto. Kaya na guys, to change its color, I'm going to add olive oil now. Pepper. I don't put a lot of salt into the meat because I'm going to use cream cheese and cheese. So tayo to choose cheddar, cheese melt, and mozzarella, or plain cheddar. You can use cheese slices that you have available in your kitchen. Getting ready this meat, so as soon as I arrive, I can do the tortilla sandwich. While my baby is still showering, I can do the sandwich. So he can have lunch. Because after the lunch, they say continue their class at home online for about 2 hours and a half more. So guys, it's this so the translation of the school. They only allowed to stay half day. So they have to eat lunch at home. Pero I'm already happy na they're back. Yung mga bata, naboboard na rin sila. Alam nyo lang yung binanas ng baby namin for the entire pandemic. Oh my gosh. Nakakaawa. But anyway, we survived. I hope this pandemic will end very soon. Lahat mabaksin na, pati yung mga bata. Okay guys, I think this is almost ready. Look guys, I sliced the meat into bite size. Not really small. Look. And then cook for 1 minute more. But don't overcook guys, para hindi matanggal yung juiciness niya. Look at the color. Okay. Add more pepper. And later, I'm going to add salad with it on the tortilla and cheese. So, yung salt niya manggagaling sa cheese and the cream cheese. Okay guys, this is done. I'm going to set aside this first because I'm going to pick up my baby. Malapit lang dito ang school guys, about 5 minutes drive. May stoplight na yun. Guys, initin na natin ang ating tortilla bread para maggawa na tayo ng tortilla. Friends, ito na yung tortilla natin. I'm going to make a sandwich now. tomatoes, put mustard for his sandwich. I will put cheese slices. And I'm going to put this back in the microwave. Hula! Very yummy sandwich. Diba guys? Very easy. Lunch. Mostly pagka nagmamadali. 2 for baby boy. This for daddy. Here, mustard first. A little bit of olive oil. You can create your own tortilla. You can also put tortilla, Mexican salsa, rinse, and roll. Yung cream cheese, siya ang nag-i-stick. I don't put cheese for that anymore. Just need mustard and olive oil. And let's have lunch! Ito na siya guys. Gusto ko yung may taba-taba. Cream cheese lang at saka maraming gulay. Yes. And then, olive oil. Roll. Ito na di guys. Sarap guys. My homemade tortilla. Thank you for watching. Bye.